Get ready for a game changer in the world of file sharing. Samsung is about to roll out AirDrop support over Quick Share, starting with the Galaxy S26 series. This is a huge deal for Android users, especially those who've been envious of iPhone's seamless AirDrop feature. But what does this integration mean for the Android ecosystem, and how will it impact the way we share files? First, let's set the scene. AirDrop, a beloved feature on iPhones, allows users to effortlessly share files between Apple devices. It's like magic, right? You select a file, choose AirDrop, and boom, it's on your friend's device. But Android users have been missing out on this convenience, relying on clunkier methods like email or messaging apps. Enter Quick Share, an Android feature that aims to replicate AirDrop's simplicity. It's been around for a while, but it's about to get a major upgrade. Here's the interesting part. Samsung is bringing AirDrop to its latest Galaxy S26 series, and it's not just a copy-paste job. They're integrating AirDrop over Quick Share, which means Android users can now experience the ease of AirDrop while still using the familiar Quick Share interface. This is a smart move by Samsung, as it provides a seamless transition for users who are already accustomed to Quick Share. Personally, I think this is a brilliant way to bridge the gap between Android and iOS in terms of file sharing. But wait, there's more. This rollout isn't just limited to the S26 series. Samsung has plans to expand AirDrop support to additional Galaxy devices, which is a vague but exciting promise. Imagine having this feature on older Galaxy models. It could breathe new life into those devices. And it's not just Samsung. Google's Pixel devices have already started this trend, and even Oppo is joining the party. It's like a file-sharing revolution is happening right before our eyes. One detail that caught my attention is that AirDrop on Samsung Galaxy isn't enabled by default. Users have to manually enable the Share with Apple devices setting, and there's a bit of a dance involved to get it working with iPhones. This might be a bit of a hassle, but it's a necessary step to ensure security and user control. What many people don't realize is that this level of control is actually a good thing, as it prevents accidental file sharing or potential privacy breaches. Now, let's zoom out and consider the bigger picture. This integration of AirDrop over Quick Share is a significant step towards unifying the file sharing experience across different mobile ecosystems. It's like we're witnessing the breakdown of barriers between Android and iOS. In my opinion, this is a win for consumers as it encourages competition and innovation. When companies collaborate or borrow ideas from each other, we, the users, benefit from the resulting improvements. What this really suggests is that the mobile industry is moving towards a more interconnected future. We're seeing a trend where features that were once exclusive to one ecosystem are now being shared and improved upon. This is a great example of how healthy competition can drive progress. And who knows, maybe one day we'll have a universal file sharing standard that works seamlessly across all devices. To wrap up, Samsung's decision to bring AirDrop to its Galaxy devices is more than just a new feature. It's a step towards a more unified mobile experience. It's exciting to see Android catching up and even surpassing iOS in certain aspects. So, will this integration be a game changer for Android users? Absolutely. Will it make file sharing as easy as pie? You bet. And will it spark further innovation in the mobile space? I certainly hope so. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.